Okay, for the next hairstyle, this is it. It is a braid out. What you're going to need for this hairstyle is first a heat protectant spray. Yes, it's quite messed up because it's been used multiple times. Then you're going to need a leave-in conditioner, a blow dryer if you would want, that's optional. Then any cream, I'm using this as I am one, any curling cream, curl defining cream, or just any cream you have. And then a mousse to stick to your hair and to reduce frizz.
3 hours later.
So I decided to do a twist out because it's faster and easier, and the takedown process is also good, and there's less risk of like messing up the pattern just in case. So okay, so I'm going to take the curl enhancing smoothie, and I'm just going to apply that on my hair like this. Just smooth it out from root to tip, and then I take the mousse just to remove any frizz, and then I split it into two. So yeah, I'm just going to do this through my whole head and let it air dry overnight, so then in the morning I can undo it, and then that's it. I'm just be doing medium-sized sections because it's faster, but it will still give me volume. So I did this other side, and just an example of how it may show up. It will be like somewhat like this. So yeah, that's how it'll be, but more defined because it stayed overnight and my hair is fully dried. So I'm just gonna do this on my whole head, and then I'll come back to you guys later. So yeah, bye. Now done with my hair with the medium-sized sections, and I'm just going to let them dry overnight and sleep with a bonnet.
1 day later.
Okay, it is the next day. So this is how my hair is. It's completely dry. I'm not mad about the length, but I just want it to be a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna quickly stretch it and then unravel the twist. I have stretched my hair a little bit. Honestly, you can just leave your hair like this in twists if you want to, but we're going to complete the style. So I'm going to let my hair cool a little bit down from the heat. Yeah, then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, my hair has cooled down, so you can just grab any oil. I'm using tea tree oil. So I'll do an example. You put some oil on your hair, so your hand doesn't on your hand, sorry, so your hand doesn't frizz up or anything. And I'll take this piece over here, and I'll just like apply some of the oil onto the twist, and just unravel it from the bottom. Just be gentle so you can like keep the pattern, because that's what we're looking for. And there we are. This is the twist out, and it's done. So just put oil in your hands, apply a little bit on the hair, and gently unravel it, and just do that to your whole entire head, and then you will be done. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this to my whole head, and I'll be back to show the results. I have officially finished unraveling my hair. So I'm just going to show you a full 360 of my hair at the back, the side, and at the front. It might be a little bit choppy for me because of my hair, like the lengths are the same, but it's fine, it doesn't bother me that much. You can use a comb to pick it if you want more volume, and if you want it to be a little bit longer, you can stretch your hair, but then you might lose a bit of the definition of the pattern of the hair. So yeah, just being aware of that. So anyways, that is the twist style hairstyle, and yeah, I think I'll share with you guys a method on how to like keep it at night so it doesn't change as much overnight as you keep it throughout the days or so. Yeah, bye.